Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In continuation of my previous videos, we are going to have the scarification of road. Basically, we are doing the rehabilitation of our asphalt road. It is an old existing road and it needs repairing. We shall be removing the asphalt and then the earthworks would be carried out. You can see the scarification is being done with the help of bulldozer. We are scarifying the asphalt. The shoulders and carriageway have been removed. You can see the dozer is clearing the material. Up to a thickness of 20 centimeters, we shall be doing the earthworks. We shall be doing the filling of laterite. You can see after we scarified the material, we had to bring the laterite and spread it. With the help of grader, we had to do the grading, and now we are doing the rolling and compaction of our laterite. You can see here. So with the help of this, you can see that all the potholes have been addressed. So guys, I hope you liked today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to write in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, goodbye.